Hello everyone, I'm Ashutosh Shetty, the sellout manager for OPPO Mumbai. Hope everyone is safe and doing good. So today we have someone special for our new product review, who is an Indian film and stage actress who made her big screen debut in 2009 and stole our hearts in Rocket Singh and melted young hearts in movies like Houseful 2, Dil To Bachaye Ji and many more. So let me introduce you to the most beautiful and multi-talented Shazahn Padamsee.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
All well. Very excited for the unboxing and the review. I have lots to tell you about the phone. I'm obsessed with it. So you can ask me whatever you want to ask me.
So absolutely. So it's a pleasure having you here, Shazahn. And so first thing first, so how were your lockdown days?
Lockdown days were actually so good and bad. I think bad because you can't meet your friends, you can't go out. I'm a huge foodie and I couldn't go to any of my favorite restaurants. So I was like really upset about that. But good in a way because we have our smartphones and they keep us connected to everything that's going on. So you're not really missing out on life. You're still you're isolated, but you're still connected.
Connected to the world, right?
So it was great. Yeah.
Absolutely. So I so agree on that,
Right.
because I myself have been through it, and I suppose most of us have been through that difficult time.
Yeah.
And definitely, our only best friend at that particular moment was our smartphone, right?
Absolutely.
So
absolutely.
And the best part is we at OPPO try to enhance this user experience because with every new product that we come, we try to get something new for our customers.
Oh wow!
Right. So so this time we have come up with a new innovation, which is the Reno6 Pro series. And if I talk about over here, the first thing I would like to ask is how was your experience, because you've been using this phone for past few days.
I actually love it. Okay. First of all, I'm obsessed with slim phones. So it's super slim and sleek. So it's very nice. The touch and the feel is really, really light. I don't like a heavy phone. So that's number one, and that's a huge one for me. Secondly, I love the color. Okay, it reminds me of like an oyster shell because it's got this hologram sort of effect, and every time you move it around, it changes colors, which is really cool. And then, of course, the camera. The camera is fantastic, and of course, we'll get more into which features I like, but I think these are my 3 favorite things.
Absolutely. So I suppose the color which you were using was Aurora, right?
Yes.
So which actually has 5 different layers. So it also has one of the layer which is the OPPO exclusive Reno Glow effect, which gives you that beautiful color and the feel that you have.
Oh wow.
And also if I talk about, I suppose you said camera, right?
Yeah.
So what did you like in the camera?
So I actually, because I'm constantly shooting at home all the time, I loved the video feature. And of course, it's super clear and all of that we know. But what is unique and what other phones don't have is the bokeh effect, I think. It gives this really dreamy look. So basically the subject, if you're shooting, then I will be in focus and the background is blurry and it's got like everything becomes like this dreamy effect. It's really cool. You guys have to check it out. I absolutely love it. I hope I'm getting the name right. It's bokeh effect, right?
Right. So it's basically the bokeh flare portrait video what you're talking about, right?
Right.
So what happens is it is one of a kind feature that as you said. So if I talk about this particular phone, this is the only phone, and I would say in the industry which currently has this feature, which is industry's first exclusive camera feature, wherein what it does is basically it focuses on the human in the frame, and then it turns the complex background into these dreamy spheres, as you said, right? And it also gives you this rich color.
Yes.
So now what you can do is, because of that, you can make good, I guess, content for your social media.
Absolutely. You feel like you're in a music video, so like everything is done. You just need to put the camera on and that's it.
Super.
Your bokeh ready.
Yeah, so and the best part is you don't need these heavy cameras and exclusive editing features for all these things.
Exactly.
It's just your one phone and you're done.
Yeah, and another thing I like is that because the feature is already inbuilt, you don't have to actually spend a lot of time editing it, because that's a whole other process. So it's all done. You just literally got to put it on, do your thing, and there you have a beautiful shot.
Super,
So, yeah.
super. So I suppose you're already obsessing with
Oh,
the product,
totally,
the camera,
totally.
right?
Absolutely.
Okay, super. Okay, so Shazahn, so that was about the camera and the design, but so what else did you like about the product?
I liked 100 things, so let me try and sort of bring it down. So I am someone who is always on the run, of course not in COVID, but otherwise. And my battery is always like dead. So I have to always find charging points, and it's very irritating. So one thing I loved about this phone is that it takes just 30 minutes, I think around like half an hour, to charge your phone from battery dead to like full on. And the battery life is great. It really like was on for like days.
I totally agree on that. So that's
Yeah.
because of the 65 watt Superbook 2.0. One of the fastest charging technologies that we have in product.
Right.
And also, if you, as you said, like, you know, it's just 31 minutes it
Yeah.
takes for charging a battery size of 4500 mAh.
Right.
So basically, you charge it once in a day, only just for 31 minutes.
That's all
and
you need.
That's all you need, and you're done for the day.
Wow.
When I'm talking about the fast,
Yeah.
so definitely we can't miss out on the processor over here that has been given for the product, which is the MediaTek Dimensity 1200,
Okay.
which makes this phone a 5G super phone actually.
Right, right.
So you're future ready. So isn't that amazing?
Wow, that's awesome. Another thing I wanted to tell you, which I noticed, is that so I was using so many apps because I'm always using apps, and I'm someone who likes to multitask. So I have like 5 or 6 or sometimes 10 apps on at the same time, and I'm like switching between apps, doing my work, Gmail, whatever. And one thing that I noticed is that it wasn't slowing down, you know, so it was really smooth. It wasn't like full or, you know, becoming slow like other phones, and I was really able to multitask very easily, and it was just supporting me all the way through.
So we are enjoying it throughout, and you know, I guess multitasking is nowadays a part of your life. It's not only your phone, but even you have been doing it. So
Yes.
as you said, there's your mails, you're checking your payments, and you know, probably also connecting your friends at the same time.
Absolutely. So what you need is actually a phone that is going to support you through all of that.
Absolutely, you
Right?
need something like that, right?
Absolutely.
So also add on for the performance part. So the phone also comes with a large 12 GB RAM
Okay.
and a 256 GB internal memory.
Okay.
And that's not all. The best part is you have an option for a RAM expansion up to 7 GB. So
Okay.
in total, you have an option for 19 GB of RAM in your phone.
Wow, that's
Okay.
a lot.
So you will be getting the best of performance throughout whenever you're using the phone.
Amazing. Because also like storage is something I'm struggling with every single day. Every time my phone is like, okay, storage full, stop recording, stop shooting, stop doing whatever you want, and sit and delete. So I think
you need. So here you don't need to delete anything.
exactly. So it is really the perfect phone, I think, and I'm so excited to like go back and check out, because I barely had a little bit of time, but I think I got to explore and get to know so much about the phone. But of course, I think there are many more features that I don't know about.
Definitely, it's
So I'm very
loaded
curious.
with features, I would say.
Amazing.
But these are some of the major highlights, I would say, about the product.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
So, so Shazahn, let's quickly go and unbox this product, and let's see what we get over here.
Yay! Let's do it. Wow. Exciting.
So, which color you've got?
Oh,
Okay, so that's your favorite one, right?
amazing.
Okay. So here I have the Stella Black. Over here.
Wow.
And that's. You can
This
just
is-
pull it off.
This is the really pretty color. Should I
So
take it
that's
off?
the Aurora. Yeah, you can just pull it up
Yeah?
from the other side.
Okay.
This is the Aurora.
Oh, from
Just
here.
pull it up.
Basically, it's all been designed. You don't need to think much. Okay. Ta ta da da. Yay!
So we both can flaunt the. So that's the Stella Black and that's the Aurora. Okay, so now quickly let's check what we get in the box.
So, it just feels so great to hold. It's so slim and so sleek. I'm like, I don't want to drop it.
Okay, so here that's the adapter of the Superbook 2.0 what I was talking about. So you get an adapter You get a Type-C charging cable, the WOOC cable.
Oh, nice.
And also the earphones given over here are for Type-C. So these are the three things that you will find in the box. Okay. Okay, so we'll quickly put it in. So definitely in love with the phone, yeah?
Love it. So slim, so much slimmer than other phones.
So Shazahn, how did you like the phone?
Oh my god, I love it. I can't stop staring at it. It's so light. As I said earlier, I love phones that are lightweight because I carry a small bag, so I just want to sort of slip it in and not have too much weight on me. Okay, now the most important question is that when is this available? Because I'm dying to buy it.
So the most important one, I suppose, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. So, so the Reno6 Pro will be available in the market. The first sale is on 20th of July.
Okay.
Okay. And also so there are some pre-booking, I would say, first sale offers that are given for the first 3 days. So these are really exciting, and these are only for the first 3 days, so for the limited number of days.
Oh, okay. And how does one avail of that?
So you can just pre-book yours starting from today whenever you want, and from 20th of July you can have it in your hands.
So the pre-booking is open right now?
Yeah, it's already on, and you can pre-book it now and maybe have it tomorrow.
Exciting!
Okay.
Yay!
So that's about the product, and I guess it was a pleasure having you, Shazahn, over here.
Thank you. I'm so happy to have had a chance to check this phone out, you know, be one of the first few people to do that. So I'm very lucky and can't wait to go and buy the phone.
It's a pleasure for us.
Thank you. It's
So
been
I
great.
hope you enjoy your Reno6 Pro.
Absolutely. Thank you, Ashutosh.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys.